In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that you can't send money from your PayPal account to your bank account. So I'm going to show you 3 ways to solve this problem, and the first solution is just log out of your account and close your browser. So you want to close it and then open it again. So I'm using Chrome. Just type it again and then do it again. And if this, for some people, this works, so basically hit login again. So for some people, this will work, but if this didn't work for you because it's not really a solution, you can go to your wallet and then basically remove your bank account. So as you can see, I already removed my bank account, but what you can do, you can remove it and then reconnect it to your PayPal account, and then it should work. But if this also didn't work, there is a third solution by going to help, and then this comes up, and from here you want to go to the help center over here, and then you want to type in bank like this. And now I go to how do I add a bank account to my PayPal account. So now you want to, you don't have to read this, you can just hit no, and then you can type other, and here you can type in I have a problem transferring money to my bank account. Can you help? So what they will do when you send this, they will send you an email about how to solve the problem, and that's basically it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.